Good morning. Rebuild our food system is a huge challenge, and with my partner already, we think that we can achieve it thanks to the wonder of plant-based products. And great for us, it seems that we are not the only one to think this way. The market is growing really fast. And it's not only a matter of more and more meat producers or flexitarians, it's the whole culture that is changing. What we eat, but also the way we produce what we eat. At Kelelai, we work on a millenary process, fermentation, that we believe still has a lot of opportunities to reveal, especially when it's combined to pulses. And our first answer is tempeh, a tasty product coming from Indonesian cultures. And we both know that when it's about food, taste is the key to make you buy again. And we don't want to make any compromise on it, neither on our health or the planet's ones. In terms of composition, tempeh is super rich in protein. It's also a source of fiber, iron, vitamins, and calcium. It has a really interesting texture because of the whole grain inside. In other words, it's a healthy, clean, locally organic ingredients that can taste as you like because it's very permeable to flavors. The first time Aurélie ate tempeh was in Indonesia. She fell in love with this product. And later I fell in love with her homemade version. She was not totally vegetarian at this time, but really curious about food and questioning her habits, as well as I was. We thus met around the same conviction and interest for food, and with our complementary skill and determination, we are sure to make our ambition succeed. Basically, we want to be the first in France to have the know-how and capacities to produce tempeh at a higher scale. This will create opportunities to different types of stakeholders, collectivities, farmers, final consumers. Our go-to-market approach was first to address restaurants and then to focus on collective gatherings, which is a huge lever to help people become more vegetarian. But with the COVID crisis, we had to develop quicker than we thought a product dedicated to final consumers and short-circuit channels. We want to work on fermentation to improve and create new products. For example, we have already doubled the shelf life of our tempeh by adding a fermentation step. We work on the mouthfeel, bite and taste by using new pulses such as lupini or chickpea. Finally, we have developed two versions of our tempeh already cooked in order to make it easier to handle. As you understand, we are producing and selling our tempeh to different types of channels, where, based on the feedback we have, there is a real need for a local, clean and tasty protein. Today, you can help us becoming a major actor of a more resilient food system by sponsoring us, or if you are in the food industry, by developing with us new recipes for your needs. Thanks a lot for your attention.